Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure consumables and power are ready. Check that the ink cartridges snap fully into place and that paper is loaded straight in the tray. Crooked paper causes jams. Once done, plug the Persona PRS100 into a grounded outlet and press the power button. Watch the status LED for normal boot. Open the front cover and remove any transport tape or foam left from shipping. You do this now, so internal sensors won't block the first calibration routine. Now you connect and configure the device. If you choose Wi-Fi, press menu then Network, select your SSID, and enter the password. This gives you wireless printing and firmware updates. If you prefer USB, connect the cable before driver install. On your computer, install the Brother drivers and utility software so printer features are available. Once drivers are installed, run the automatic alignment and a nozzle check from maintenance. That step verifies print heads and prevents streaks. You complete setup by printing a test page and confirming text and color output look correct. Start with a draft print to save ink, then print final copies at higher quality when satisfied. If output shows lines or spots, run a head clean. If low ink warnings appear, replace the affected cartridge with genuine Brother for consistent results. If a paper jam occurs, power off, open the indicated covers, and gently remove the paper following the arrow guides. This prevents damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.